Episode 7. Paul broke bread on Sunday. They say, Paul broke bread on Sunday. That proves Sunday is now the Sabbath. But today, we break this lie into pieces, just like the bread they shared. Is breaking bread proof of a new holy day? Let's open the Word and expose this false tradition. Yes, Acts 27 says they broke bread on the first day of the week. But ask yourself, did they break bread only on Sunday? Let the Bible answer. Acts 2:46 KJV. And they, continuing daily with one accord in the temple and breaking bread from house to house. There it is, daily breaking bread. Not Sunday, not Sabbath, every day. So if we use breaking bread to claim Sunday is the new Sabbath, then every day must be the Sabbath. That's not obedience, that's confusion. Now look closer at Acts 27. Paul broke bread because he was leaving. Acts 20:11 KJV. When he therefore was come up again, and had broken bread, and eaten, and talked a long while, even till break of day. This was a farewell meal before a 20-mile walk to Assos the next morning. You don't walk 20 miles on a sacred day of rest. You walk that far after the Sabbath has ended. The Jews measured days from sunset to sunset. So when Acts 27 says, first day of the week, it was Saturday night, not Sunday morning. This wasn't a holy Sunday service. It was a Saturday night gathering, followed by travel and work. Not one shred of Sabbath observance. Not one verse says this gathering was to honor the resurrection or replace the seventh day. Want more proof? Jesus broke bread on Thursday night, the Last Supper. Was Thursday made holy? Did the disciples create communion Thursday? Of course not. Breaking bread does not sanctify a day, only God does, and he sanctified the seventh day. This is how deception works. Twist a single phrase and replace God's command. But Exodus 28 still stands. Remember the Sabbath day, to keep it holy. Jesus never said, break bread on Sunday in my memory. He said, if you love me, keep my commandments. John 14:15. Final words. They broke bread, but they never broke the Sabbath. Do not let crumbs of false tradition blind you from the whole loaf of truth. Sunday bread cannot replace Sabbath truth, and one meal cannot erase a command engraved in eternal stone.